Hello everybody, I am Jennifer Solka and I am a nutrition educator with Marisa. And today we are going to make a blueberry blast smoothie. I will give you the recipe for it. It's pretty easy. The one thing I really love about smoothies is that there's no rules. You can make smoothies however you want, as long as you have some good healthy ingredients. And a little friend, my stepdaughter Bryn, is going to help. Smoothies are a really easy, healthy treat. So today we are going to do blueberries, a little bit of vanilla yogurt, some ice, and a banana. Sound good? Mm-hmm. All right, you want to put that in? Pretty good. And you want to peel a banana in there? And I'll do the yogurt. I'm also going to add a little bit of water. You don't have to add a little bit of water, depending on how thick you want your smoothie to be. Just plop it in there.
It won't go out.
That's right. Get it in there. That works. It'll mix in. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. Might have to add a little bit more because we don't want it to, we want to be able to sip it through the straw. Add some ice. And we're going to give it a quick blend. Give it a shake, see how, it looks pretty good. Ugh. And it's always helpful if you have a couple cute little glasses to do it in, right? So we're gonna have our smoothie treat. Oh, look at how good that looks, Bryn. A beautiful color. Give it a try. Oh, we also have our turtle-friendly straws. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you.